We are here in the beautiful town of Fountain Hills at this one-of-a-kind, unique, custom-built home that has wonderful features, beautiful updates. From the moment you walk in to the custom iron door, you will love this home. This home sits on such a quiet street. It's so beautiful. You have amazing custom features inside, and I cannot wait to show you. This home has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and beautiful custom features like these granite countertops, the alder cabinets, Brazilian hardwood floors, and travertine, just to name a few. And I'm really excited to show you this feature in this home, your very own Casita. This Casita has its own kitchenette, a built-in desk with a Murphy bed, its own bathroom with a private entrance to the side of the house. This Casita can be a guest suite, mother-in-law suite, or just a pool house for entertaining. Check out this backyard oasis with mountain views, your own pool and spa with pebble sheen finish. Isn't this just wonderful for entertaining? Thank you for tuning in. I hope you love this home as much as I do and that you reach out to schedule a showing. It's truly a gem.